Right, hi, it's me again, Mike M0XMX, and today I've got another unboxing for you. Now I've actually been using this radio for probably 2 or 3 weeks now, and so I can give you my opinion of it as well in the field. But first of all, let's take a look at it. So it's by the company Retevis, as you can see here on the box, and this is the RA685, and I'll put a link up here to the actual product on Amazon. As you'll know, Amazon Prime is coming up shortly, so chance to snap a bit of a bargain. So let's take a look at the unboxing first of all. Okay, so in the box we've got quite a substantial manual. What have we got here? So this is the actual radio itself. So there's the radio, nice and neat, nice and small, feels quite good quality. The buttons click quite nicely. Here's the battery. Now this is rated at 1800 milliamp hours. Okay, that's that. Aerial feels quite good actually. There you go. So there's the actual radio itself. Now also in the box you get a little desktop charger, which is nice. Slots in there quite happily, nice and snug. The desktop charger is powered by a USB-C connector, which is again really nice for standardization. And on the other end, it's just got a standard USB-A connector. So that'll plug into a standard charger, iPhone charger, that type of thing. And I just wonder, no, it hasn't. Okay, I didn't know. Some radios have, oh, I'll tell you what, hold on. Yes, it has got a USB-C connection there. So if you wanted to, if you're out and about and you need to charge it, then you can charge it with a USB cable. Maybe one that you've got handy for your mobile phone. Also in the box, you've got like a wrist strap, and you've also got a belt clip strap, belt clip that goes onto the back of there. I haven't taken it out because I don't need to. So yeah, it feels really nice, to be honest. It fits nice and snug into the palm of my hand, and the buttons feel good quality. Yeah, feels nice. Okay, let's turn it on.
Welcome. Panel mode.
Okay, it's got the usual standard talkie telling you what it's doing. As I say, I've been using this for a good couple of weeks now, and I've had some really, really good signal reports, to be honest. They commented on the quality of the audio. Signal strength, it's a 5-watt radio, so it is going to give you exactly what you expect. And also, obviously, having a rubber duck antenna is never going to be amazing. But for what it is, it's a little handy talkie. 5-10 miles into the repeater, no problem whatsoever. It's got all of the standard menu functionality that you would expect. Squelch control is done from the electronic menu, so it hasn't got a separate knob on the top. The knob on the top simply does on-off and volume. So everything else is done by pressing the menu button and then the step up and down. And in there you've got all sorts of things like wide and narrow, how long the backlight should stay on for. You've got dual band on this, so you can actually monitor both bands at the same time. You can turn the voice prompt on and off. You've got various settings for repeaters and for accessing into nodes like DCS and CTCSS. Interesting. Oh, you've got a torch on the top as well, by the way, that you can use. Handy. VFO and memory mode. Tail tone, squelch. So, yeah. as I say, I've been really impressed with this. You've also got on the side a headphone socket and microphone, which is the standard way of programming these, just with a little cable that you can buy from anywhere. You've got dual PTT, so you can transmit on up or the upper part or the down part of the VFO setting. Also, there's your light, so SOS.
On.
And you've also got the ability to listen to the weather channel if you're in countries that support that. What else? No, I think that's about it really. So yeah, all in all, I think this is a great little radio. It's not expensive. I've got some nice expensive handies, and I've got to be honest with you, this would compete quite happily with them. So yeah, as I say, I'll put a link up here and then you can check out the information on Amazon. So I'm going to be giving this away. Retevis have quite kindly donated it to me for the purposes of making this video. So all I'm asking from you is like and share this video, and if you're watching on YouTube, make sure you're a subscriber, and then as soon as I get 50 likes and shares, then I'll do a draw live and the lucky person will be getting this. All I'll ask for is the postage, less than £5 I guess in the UK. Great, thanks a lot for watching, take care, bye bye for now.